This is the moment where we can envision a future of speed, content generation, and high profit. Today's strategy is all about unlocking the potential to earn up to $40,000 per month with the invaluable assistance of the renowned ChatGPT.
Damn technology!
In this video, we will delve into the secrets of effortlessly creating content without the need for shooting, editing, or even appearing in the frame yourself. In this scenario, we will generate earnings from two sources, YouTube affiliate and a powerful secret service. What are the possibilities? 5- and 6-figure incomes. Does that sound appealing to you? If so, make sure to watch this video until the end and discover all the secrets. Hello everyone, my name is Mike Ross. I have 9 promoted channels on YouTube, and the profit I make would even make some media personalities jealous.
Jealous?
I used to do an internship at a prestigious company, Socially Powerful, myself, and I thought that it would be the limit of my dreams, that I had very steep prospects for development. At the same time, I promoted channels on YouTube and reached a really high level of income. Then it dawned on me that I could help others, and I created this channel. Here, I share with you the most effective ways of making money. And if you're ready to apply the most advanced strategies and make big money on YouTube, then subscribe to my channel and put a bell. Let's hack YouTube together. Now, let's dive into the strategy, which consists of 5 simple steps. Remember to follow along and go step by step with me. Step 1, prepare the themes. Before we proceed with using ChatGPT, let's create a document where we compile some themes for our videos. For example, girl facts, psychology facts, boy facts, sad facts, and deep facts. We have a total of 5 topics with facts. Above these topics, we'll write 3 short, funny facts about these topics. So go ahead and copy the text and the topics. Now let's move on to step 2, utilizing ChatGPT. Head over to chat.openai.com. If you don't have an account, create one to access the bot. As for me, I already have an account, so I'll directly go to the page with the text input field. Paste the content we've copied from our file. Now, click the arrow to see the result. Excellent. You can observe that we've obtained 3 facts for each topic using ChatGPT. However, considering that ChatGPT has a higher user volume, I'd like to offer you an alternative. Allow me to introduce you to vidIQ, a fantastic tool for promoting your YouTube channel. This website serves an educational purpose that can assist you in generating ideas, selecting keywords, researching your competitors, and even discovering your subscribers' interest. But most importantly, it's an AI coach that can provide similar functionality to ChatGPT.
You and I have a lot in common. We're nothing alike.
Now, let's perform the same process we did with ChatGPT using vidIQ. We'll insert our text and hit enter. And there you have it. Let's see what we got. Awesome. The AI coach in vidIQ functions just like ChatGPT. However, it's worth noting that the response may differ since they come from different AI models. The exciting part is that vidIQ is available worldwide. Feel free to copy the answers provided by vidIQ into our document for comparison and assurance. By the way, the coolest tools and services that can help you earn up to $100K a month, I'm ready to share in my advanced course. So you can experience and level up your own YouTube channel or build a successful business from a dozen channels like mine and start making real money online with YouTube. I've developed a unique method, and I'll tell you more about it at the end of the video. But for now, don't waste any time. Subscribe to my channel to be the first to learn about the most profitable strategies for earning on YouTube. Step 3, create a video. Now, we're going to do the visual part of our project. In order to do that, we'll go to pexels.com. Select videos and in the search box type peaceful. A lot of free stock videos are in front of us. If we look at the channels with the same videos, we can see a city street, water, trees, clouds, something peaceful in the background. I suggest downloading more stock videos at once to make several videos at the same time. There are even vertical files here, but I'll pick the horizontal video so you'll understand how to make shorts out of them, okay? Next, jump into Canva. Go into the mobile video, drop the downloaded file onto the template for the vertical clip. Great. Stretch it to the full size, center the image. Perfect. Click the text section, add a subheading, and change the text into girl facts. Let's start with that subject, right? Let's bring it up higher and center it. That's beautiful. You can enlarge the font a little bit, or you can choose a different font altogether. After that, let's go into the Elements section, select a square, change the color to black, and put it clearly under our lettering. Make it a rectangle. Let's make a slight correction. Nice. Have you noticed this? How your inner designer is getting pumped up? That's using these strategies. You're getting better at promoting products and services. To pump up your skills even more, watch this video using Canva's service, where I tell you how to make up to $160,000 a month. Now, go back to text, add some body text. Take the first part of our phrase from the document ending with the word but, because, or the like. Let's put that part in, and then let's put an ellipsis at the end. Let's change the font size to 42. Next, click on the text to open a panel, and here select Show Timing. MGM. Now, go to the timeline at the bottom and make the text shorter than the video, so we only have time to read it. I'll put 2.6 seconds. Great. Open this panel again and make a duplicate. We put it in the second part of our phrase from the document. Okay? That's it. Now we do Show Timing again and shorten it. We adjust the video sequence to the length of the text. The last thing we do, we press Share and then the button Download. The clip is downloading to your computer. Okay, step 4, uploading the video to YouTube on your phone. You're probably expecting us to upload the video from the computer, but no.
Unexpected this is.
A very important point is to upload the video from your phone, because that way we can use popular music that will help make the video go viral. And this can only be done through the YouTube app. So drop the video on your phone via email or AirDrop and upload it through the app. We have the page open. Great. Now we click the little plus button. Yup. Next, click on the lower left corner of the file. Choose the clip we created. After you click Done, and the most important moment, in the middle of the screen, we click on Add Sound. And now we can choose any of these popular tracks. That is, using this viral music, you can continue to monetize your shorts. Crazy, really? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments on what topics you believe would be effective for building an audience of boys or girls. All right, let's continue with the next steps. Click on the track itself and finally on the blue circle. After that, select Next. Now, instead of using a generic title like Psychology Facts that many other channels use, let's choose something more intriguing. For example, we could go with, "Is this really true, girls? Answer me in the comments," to make it more engaging, and a hand emoji pointing downwards, and include the hashtags shorts and girl facts at the end. Great. Now, let's proceed to the Select Audience section and choose No, it's not made for kids. Additionally, we'll select Don't Restrict options. All right, let's go back. For the sake of fostering discussion, I would recommend leaving the Hold Potentially for review. But you can also allow comments if you prefer. Once you're back to the upload page, click on Upload Shorts. Now, let's move on to a crucial step. Step 5, integrate monetization. One effective method is affiliate marketing. It involves promoting affiliate products through your YouTube channels by using referral links. When a customer who comes to your channel purchases a product through that link, you earn a percentage of the product's value. To access a variety of affiliate programs, we'll go to clickbank.com, a free service that offers a wide range of options. If you need assistance with registration, I'll provide a link in the description. Now, let's consider the benefits of this niche. Since we have psychological facts as well as facts for girls and boys, we can choose different products for each category. For girls, we could focus on products related to finding a partner, while for boys, we could select products to help them become stronger, more successful, or achieve financial prosperity. If you're excited about this effective method of making money on YouTube and have already experienced its potential, go ahead and give this video a like. Now, let's begin by selecting the category Spirituality to start with. Take a look at the potential earnings you can make from selling this product. Let's choose it and click on Promote. Next, click on Create Hop Link and copy the generated link. But that's not all. We're going to use a link shortening service like bit.ly.ws or bit.ly.com. For example, we'll go with bit.ly.ws. Paste the link in the provided window and click on Shorten. This will transform our link and make it more appealing to users. Click on Copy to Clipboard to save the shortened link. Now, let's head back to our channel. In the comment box, write something like, "Need help finding your soulmate?" You gotta check this out. Then, paste our shortened link. Hit comment to post it. After that, click on the 3 dots next to the comment section and select Pin to keep our comment at the top above others. This way, everyone will see the link. Anyone interested in finding a soulmate will click on the link and you can earn a good commission from it. It provides both a permanent and periodic commissions opportunity. With this strategy, you'll be able to change the background and text in the video easily, allowing you to create new videos in just 2 minutes. That's why I believe YouTube is the best source for making money online. With my many years of experience on YouTube, I understand this 100%. Many people are afraid of YouTube, feeling less confident here than they'd like to. Questions pop up at every step and doubts start creeping in, like, I don't know anything, I don't understand, or I can't do this.
I just can't.
Of course, to reach your goal, you need a certain knowledge base and a strategy. That's why I've developed the YouTube automation system, where channels work for you and bring in passive income, making you a millionaire. Now, you don't need to spend a ton of time searching for scattered information on YouTube. You don't need to figure out what works and what doesn't. I've gathered everything you need to guide you step by step from channel creation to earning $10,000 or even $100,000 a month. This course is designed for those who don't have a channel yet and are just starting their YouTube journey, as well as for those who already have a channel but don't know how to start earning or how to increase their income. The link is in the description below this video. Join my Hack YouTube course and we'll get into detail about everything you need for a successful channel and making a profit of $10,000 a month on YouTube. We'll find the most profitable niche for you, break down monetization methods, create a channel management strategy for the next 3 months, uncover the most current video design life hacks, share a collection of secret content creation and quality improvement tools.
What do you need?
Tools.
Lots of
Tools.
And explain how YouTube algorithms work and how to hack them so your videos always end up in YouTube's recommendations. And by the end of the course, you'll have your very own monetized YouTube channel where you can guarantee your dreams will come true. You know what to do. Click the link in the description right now, leave your contact information, and start your YouTube money hackers journey with me. I'll be waiting for you. And now, I want to share with you guys the results of my students who already finished the course and hacked YouTube with me.
Hi, it's Ralph.
I'm Elizabeth.
Hi, I'm Alex.
It's Sophie.
I was trained on the Hack YouTube by Micros.
And I can safely say that I've hacked YouTube.
Almost $6,000. This is how much I earned on my 3 channels over the past month.
Already brings me more than $100 a day.
And in just 2 months, I got to 11,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel.
And only thing I regret that I didn't buy this course earlier.
Mike, I'm immensely grateful to you for changing my life for the better.
Today we've taken a glimpse into the exciting future and got energized. If you're hungry for more amazing strategies, then you don't want to miss out on my latest video. In this video, I reveal a secret music video creation method that can help you generate up to $12,000 in profit. Trust me, it's a game changer. Click the link to watch the video and unlock the valuable knowledge. Oh, and don't forget to show your support by giving the video a like. Your support fuels my passion for sharing these valuable insights with you. Remember, it's Mike Ross here, and on my channel, we're all about growth, success, and getting rich. So make sure to watch my videos. Wishing you incredible success and unforgettable YouTube Hackers Days. Peace out.